Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the main common problems with the PS4 controllers when it's not connecting your PS4. The first thing what you can do is, if it doesn't connect when you just press the PS button, get a USB cable, connect to your PS4 and press the PS button. If that doesn't sync, so while your cable's plugged in, you switch off your PS4 and then restart it, and that way will resync from the start up. If that does not work, there's a button at the back. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me zoom in. There's a small button there that you can reset it by getting a small pin, even a toothpick, that will do. There you can just press the reset button and just hold it 5 seconds, and that should mainly fix the main common problems. If that doesn't work, maybe try with different PS4. If some of your friends got it, or try different PS4 to see if it will sync. Or what you can do is, sometimes what happens is, if you've got another controller with your PS4, check your Bluetooth by going to settings, then go down to device manager, go to device, and then go to Bluetooth device and see how many controllers are. Maybe the space is full up. Maybe you need to, or maybe sometimes your controller is connected to different places, so you just need to check your Bluetooth is connected. That way sometimes you can fix the problem. So if you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.